Si Mia.
Samia.
Si Mia.
Would you rather find a powerful
Two,
magical object or discover
three,
an uncharted
4,
island?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Share your choice with us in the comments section.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
Round 9. What is
17,
in front of Moana?
18, 19, 20. Kwame. Kanina, did you enjoy yung karaoke? Nag-sing ka, Camila? Sing ka nung ano, fireworks?
This is the first
No.
time she got to
Yung Barbie girl?
No.
Stinky Pete. Barbie girl, Stinky Pete. Tapos yung ano pa? Yung ano? This is... Last birthday ni ano, no, Jack. Nag ano ka? Did you blow his cake?
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi he cannot do it, no? Si baby pa siya, na. Okay.
Pwede sa baby.
Baby.
Baka sunog.
Baka sunog yung
Baka sunog. Ay.
ano niya, eyes niya. Okay, let's say happy birthday, Jack.
Happy birthday.
Jack.
Tut.
Tinky Pete. Okay, bye-bye. Love you. Turn it up na. Si tatay na mag-turn up.